Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sure. Here are the full details in the coin shown in your picture. Coin description, front and back. This is a German 10 Pfennig coin from the year 1950, issued shortly after World War II. Front side, Obverse, shows the number 10 in the center. Below it is the word Pfennig, the denomination. On both sides of the number 10, you can see wheat ears, grain symbols, representing agriculture and rebuilding of the economy. At the top, there is the mint mark, which indicates where the coin was produced. Mint marks include A, D, F, G, J. Your coin appears to have F, which is the Stuttgart Mint. Back side, reverse, shows an oak leaf branch with 5 leaves. The oak tree is a symbol of strength, endurance, and Germany's heritage. Around the top and sides is the inscription, Bank Deutscher Länder. This means, Bank of the German States. At the bottom is the year, 1950, the year this coin was minted. Historical background. This coin was issued right after World War II during the early rebuilding phase of Germany. Bank Deutscher Länder was the central bank before the Deutsche Bundesbank was established in 1957. These coins were part of the Deutsche Mark, DM, currency system. Pfennig was the subdivision of 1 Deutsche Mark. 100 Pfennig equals 1 mark metal and specifications. Metal, brass, often a copper-zinc alloy. Weight, about 4 grams. Diameter, 21.5 millimeters. Shape, round. Edge, smooth, plain. Value. Common coins range from 20 cents to $5 depending on condition. Rare mint marks or uncirculated condition can be worth $10 to $50 plus.